Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. A warm welcome to all of you on this auspicious day of Pandava Nirjala Ekadashi. I am sure all of you must have spent your day in absorbed in the chanting Lord's name and hearing his pastime. And any day is really good to chant Lord's name. Every day is auspicious to chant Lord's holy name, but on these special days when we chant, we put extra endeavor. The benefit that we arrive from it multiplies many times. And it is also said that Krishna becomes more merciful and showers more blessing on these special days. So that's why devotees try to put little bit more extra endeavors on these days. And today I'm very much pleased to welcome Sonia Mataji for our Japa talk today. And for my own purification, I want to speak a little bit about Mataji. I met Mataji first time during Damodar month for some services. And with her exemplary service attitude, she has really increased my faith in the devotional services. And she's always enthusiastic, energetic to help others, to help and make people understand the importance of the selfless service. And she's always there to help everybody. I'm really happy to welcome Mataji. And Mataji, please help us and enhance our chanting today. Thank you.
Thank you, Mataji, for your kind words. Am I audible?
Yes, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So welcome. Thank you, Mataji, for giving me the opportunity to speak on this most auspicious day, Ekadashi day. So happy Ekadashi to all of you. So from Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavatam, I am going to speak a pastime about one of the greatest and purest devotee of Lord Shri Krishna, Ambrish Maharaj. So Ambrish Maharaj, he belonged to the dynasty of Ikshvaku. Ikshvaku dynasty is actually the dynasty of Lord Rama. So Lord Rama appeared later on in the dynasty of Ikshvaku dynasty. So I will just read a verse. It talks about the 9 processes of devotional service. Shravana Kirtana Smarana Vandana Pad Sevanya Dasya Re Pujan Sakhi Jana Atma Nivedana Govinda Dasa Bhilash. So this is a beautiful bhajan. It's the beginning of the what is the Srimad Bhagavatam, and this verse has been spoken by Prahlad Maharaj also, and this particular verse talks about the 9 processes of devotional services. And Ambrish Maharaj, he was the king of this entire earth. It was not like he was only the king of India, he was the king of this entire world, and he used to use all these 9 limbs of devotional service in glorifying Krishna. Like for example, with his mouth, he used to speak the pastimes of Krishna or sing the bhajans of Krishna. With his ears, he used to listen to the words of acharyas glorifying Krishna. With his mouth, he used to only eat prasadam of Krishna, and with his hands, he used to clean the temple. Though he was the king of the world, but still he had no inhibition. He used to clean the temple with his own hands, and with his eyes, he used to see the deities of Krishna, and he used to use his feet to go to the holy dhams of Krishna. And with his nose, he used to smell the tulsi which was offered to Krishna. With that, he used to smell the tulsi. So the story goes like this. So Ambrish Maharaj, for 1 whole year, he kept Nirjala Ekadashi. So today is Nirjala Ekadashi, which means that we don't drink even water. So he, along with his wife, kept Nirjala Ekadashi for 1 whole day. So if today is Ekadashi, tomorrow is Dwadashi. And there is a particular time when we break fast. So it was Dwadashi when Ambrish Maharaj decided to break the fast. And there is a limited time, like tomorrow from almost 5:54 to 10:12, we can break the fast. Breaking the fast means we can eat some grains. Or of course, for us, Nirjala means we are going to drink some water. So he was about to break the fast. That very minute, Durvasa Muni appears. and with lot of humble attitude. Like yesterday, Shivani Mataji spoke about tolerance and humbleness. This story is an epitome of that actually. So Amrish Maharaj welcomes Durvasa Muni and he washes his feet, makes him feel comfortable, and then tell him that please take prasadam with him. But Durvasa Muni tells him, no, I'm going to finish my rituals. So Durvasa Muni just goes away, and when the sages, they sit in meditation, they're lost actually. But here in the palace, Amrish Maharaj, time to break the fast is going away. So then he seeks the guidance of Brahmanas, and Brahmanas tell him that you don't eat any grain, but you drink some water. Drinking the water will be as if you have broken the fast, and you have not even broken the fast. So Amrish Maharaj drinks some water. Now, when Durvasa Muni comes back through his mystic power, these yogis have a lot of mystic power, a lot of power. He could make out that Amrish Maharaj has taken some water, and he becomes very, very angry. So then what happens? He just snaps one of his hair and he chants some mantra, and from that mantra appears one demon. And he tells the demon, go and kill Amrish. So the demon followed the instruction. Now Amrish Maharaj is standing with his folded hands. He is seeing the demon is approaching him, but still he stands there with his hands folded. He's not at all scared. The moment the demon with his trident tries to attack Amrish Maharaj, Sudarshan Chakra appears. Lord Krishna, Sudarshan Chakra appears to protect Amrish Maharaj. He just cuts the head of the demon, and demon is dead. Now comes the beautiful part. Now that Sudarshan Chakra, it starts following Durvasa Muni. So Durvasa Muni, when he sees Sudarshan Chakra approaching him, he starts running. And he's running and running, and Sudarshan Chakra is behind him. First, he goes to the abode of Lord Brahma. So he said, Father, please save me. Lord Brahma said, no, I can't save you. Please go away from here fast. The Sudarshan Chakra is burning me also. Go away. So Amrish Maharaj starts running again. He runs, and he reaches the abode of Lord Shiva. He tells, brother, please save me. Shiva told him that, please leave now. I cannot save you. I don't have the power to save you from this Sudarshan Chakra. And your Sudarshan Chakra is destroying my Kailash also. Please go from here. So now Durvasa Muni, he starts running and he reaches the abode of Lord Vishnu. And he begs Lord Vishnu for forgiveness. He said, please, I'm sorry. Please save me from this Sudarshan Chakra. But what happens? Vishnu says, I also cannot save you because I don't have the power to save you, because I live in the heart of my devotees. I am under the power of my devotees. If you really want to save yourself, go back to Amrish Maharaj. Durvasa Muni had no choice, but he comes back to the earth, and there he sees Amrish Maharaj still standing with folded hands, waiting for Durvasa Muni to come back. Now Durvasa Muni just falls at the feet of Amrish Maharaj and begs forgiveness and tells him, please save me. So Amrish Maharaj is not like, okay, now he has come back. Okay, finally he's here. So nothing like that. He just lifts the sage and he tells, please, don't ask any forgiveness from me. And then he starts praying to Sudarshan. He prays to Sudarshan and tells him that, please, you go away from here. And enough is enough now, please. So Sudarshan vanishes. And then that time, Amrish Maharaj again washes the feet of Durvasa Muni, makes him feel comfortable and feeds him prasadam. Now, one important point here is that in this entire saga of Durvasa Muni running from Brahma Lok to Shiva Lok to Vishnu Lok, one more year has passed. And Amrish Maharaj has still not eaten anything, and he's standing there for Durvasa Muni with folded hands to welcome him. Now Durvasa Muni understands that what is the power of a pure devotee, and what if one makes aparad, or if he commits an aparad towards a pure devotee, what is going to be his destination. So, I mean, this is a very beautiful story, and you have been hearing from so many weeks about tolerance, humility, protection from the Lord, meaning of prayers. All these come in this shots, in this story. Like if you see tolerance, Amrish Maharaj displayed the importance of tolerance by not punishing Durvasa Muni. He showed the power of humility by standing for one whole year waiting for Amrish Maharaj to come back. And the power of prayers, we have seen that Amrish Maharaj prayed to the Sudarshan Chakra that please you can go now. I have been I'm protected by your mercy. And very important point is that offenses against a pure devotee. Durvasa Muni committed offense against Amrish Maharaj. It was like an offense made by, you can see, a mad elephant offense. A mad elephant, he does not see anything, he just destroys everything. And then what happens? There is nothing left. So similarly, on our path of bhakti, we have to be very, very, very careful that we don't commit any aparadh, any offense against any devotee. Forget about, I mean, devotees are important. I'm saying we should not commit offense against anyone. We should be tolerant as much as possible. And then last but not the least, we have seen the importance of keeping Ekadashi fast. So with this shots Japa talk, let's chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, especially on this auspicious day of Ekadashi. Hare Krishna Mataji. Thank you.
Krishna, thank you so much, Mataji, for sharing the beautiful pastime from which we can learn so much. And definitely what I have learned is, like, when people with non-envious attitude listen from the sincere devotees like you, the purpose of pastimes of Lord's it is solved. Like, yeah, we will get the seed of devotion will reap in our hearts, and hopefully we'll also learn some tolerance and humility in our life. So with this thought, let's go to our japa. I request Delisha to chant Panch Tattva mantra today. Delisha, you are muted.
Sorry, Mataji. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya.
Prabhu Nityananda.
Prabhu Nityananda.
Shri Advaita Gadadhara.
Shri Advaita Gadadhara.
Shri Vasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda.
Shri Vasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya,
Prabhu Nityananda,
Prabhu Nityananda,
Shri Advaita Gadadhara,
Shri Advaita Gadadhara,
Shri Vasani Gaura Bhakta Vrinda,
Shri Vasadi Gaure Bhakta Vrinda. Yug Dharm Harinam Sankirtan Ki Jai. Thank you so much, Darisha. Thank you again, Mataji. And today I want to thank all of you from bottom of my heart that for coming every day together and chanting for the well-being of everyone, for doing this selfless service. I seek your forgiveness for anything by knowingly or unknowingly. If any mistakes made by me, please forgive me. And keep coming, keep chanting for the Lord's holy name, for the well-being of everyone. And one more thing I want to mention, I really want to thank Ashwini Mataji for helping me in this Japa talks. Like, she's there always coordinating with all the senior devotees, calling them, coordinating with them for and helping us to know and learn more through these Japa talks. So from bottom of my heart, a big thank you to Ashwini Mataji also. And let's thank everyone by chanting loudly one more time Hare Krishna Maha Mantra.